Morning to all of you students, dear of students. Today I will discuss about 8.1 remaining of part of the previous question, previous class. Okay, so from 2 we will solve question from third of 2. It is given that sine 2a equals to 2 sine a. At what value they are equal? So we will have to check option first. A equals to 0. It is given a equals to 0. Does a equals to 0, its value is true or false? Will have to check it and get its correct option. So a equals to 0. 2 sine 2 into 0, sine 2 into 0 equals to sine 0. Sine 0 equals to 0. In RHS, 2 sine a means 2 sine 0. Sine 0 equals to 0. 2 into 0 equals to 0. So it is correct. LHS equals to RHS. So option first is right answer. So our option first is correct. Means a equals to 0 is the right answer of this question. It is given that 2 tan theta equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square, 2 by root under 3, and on taking LCM we will get 3 upon 3 minus 1. So 2 into root 3 by 2. This is cancel out, and 2 to cancel root 3. Root 3 is equal to tan 60 degree. So our option is tan 60 degree, means option C is correct answer. Option C is correct. Option of fourth of second problem. Now we will solve problem third. Tan a plus b equals to root 3. So at what value of tan, at what angle of tan equals to root under 3? So tan 60 equals root 3. So instead of root 3 we will write tan 60 degree, means tan a plus b equals to tan 60. So a plus b equals to 60. Tan cancel out. So tan a minus b equals to 1 by root under 3. It is given. So tan a minus b equals to tan 30 degree. Tan cancelled out. So a minus b equals to 30 degree. On adding first and second we get plus b minus b. On adding it is cancelled out, and a plus a 2a. 2a equals to 60 plus 30 90, and here a equals to 90 by 2 means 45. So value of a is 45 from first. From first b equals to 60 minus a. B equals to 60 minus a. 60 minus 45 equals to 53. This is our solution. Now we will get second number problem 4. Okay. So question number 4. True false question. In first, sin a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b. In first, sin a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b. No, it is not true, because if we check a equals to 30 degree and b equals to 60 degree, and putting this value sin 30 plus 60 equals to sin 90. Okay, so its value is 1 in LHS, and in RHS sin 30 plus sin 60, 1 by root 2 plus root 3 by 2, 1 plus root 3 by 2, it is not equals to 1. So this is not true, it is false. It is false. Okay. So question number second. If theta increases, then sin theta increases. Yes, if theta increases in first quadrant, if theta increases, then in first quadrant sin theta will also increases. So it is second number problem is true. Suppose sine 30, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45. Its value is 0, its value is 1 by 2, its value is 1 by root. So here is increasing its value. When theta increases, then sine will also increase. So it is true. And question number third of fourth. If theta increases, then cos theta increases also. No. If theta increases, then cos theta decreases in first quadrant. So question is saying if theta increases, then cos theta increases. No, it is not true. Means false. In fourth, here we will know about its cause. Question number third. Suppose this is first quadrant. Theta is here. Suppose theta is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree. Okay. So cos 0 equals to 1 and cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So theta is increases. Theta is 0 and then value is 1. Theta is 30 means 0 to 30 means theta increases. Then value is decreases, not increase. Cos 30 equals to root 3 by cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Its value becomes approx 0.86 around. So it is false. In fourth number, sin theta equals to cos theta at for all theta. It is given that for all theta, sin theta equals to cos theta. No, only theta equals to 45 degree. Okay, theta equals to 45 degree in first quadrant. 45 degree means first quadrant. So at 45 degree sin theta equals to cos theta, not all values of theta. So it is false. And now we will see question number fifth of fourth, means last of this exercise 8.2. So a equals to 0, cot a is not defined. At a equals to 0, cot a equals to not defined. Equals to not defined. It is saying at a equals to 0. Yes, tan theta equals to 0. Then cot tan 0 equals to 0. So cot 0 equals to 0 by 1 means 1 by 0. Cot 0 equals to 1 by 0. Or we can write cot 0 equals to 1 by tan 0. So 1 by tan 0 value is 0. So undefined. So here a equals to 0, then cot a equals to undefined. It is saying that not defined. Not defined. Not defined. Not defined. So its answer is true, because at at 0 degree cot a equals to not defined, means cot a is undefined, means not defined. I hope this video is very important for you, and so solve this question, get your intellectual power. And so thank you so much. I will come in next day with chapter 8.3. Thank you so much.